Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at a slope ceiling here. So this is our house, and as you can see we got this little dip here, and this is basically a architectural feature for the inside where the ceiling is sloped. So if we look at this section view we got here, that's kind of what's happening in there in that room. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here into my first floor plan here, and I'm going to draw a section here so we can see what's going on in this room here. I'm going to leave that there, and we just do another one here, and we can look at this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop a section right through here, through my first floor plan. So I'm going to go here, do a section view, and I'm going to drop it. Let's go from here to here. Right now that is a wall section. I want to do a building section here, and then I want the fire clipping here. You see this fire clip here? I want to just make this 3 feet, and then I'll select it. So that's kind of all I need to see here, and I'm going to attach this to bottom while I'm at it. So I'm going to go attach to top, and there we got that in. So now we need a ceiling here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my first floor ceiling, and then I'm going to go and just draw a ceiling. So architecture ceiling, it's at 8 feet. Okay, that's good for the start with. So let's just draw it in by sketch. So we can sketch from here. Just sketch this right around here like so. There. There. Okay, then we finish. Now we don't want gypsum wall board on metal stud, because this is going to be furring, because this is just going to kind of attach to the bottom of the joist. So we're going to go with gypsum wall board on furring here, and then we're going to finish it. So if we go back into our section and have a look here, there's our ceiling. Now if I look at this, let's have a look at this in fine view. Okay, let's look at it in wireframe and see what's going on with the windows and things. So I think we're good there. So now let's go right back into our ceiling plan. There it is. So all you need to do is select this guy here, then edit the boundary, and then you'll draw here where it says slope. Hit the slope arrow here, and then we'll go from here to here. Now you kind of want to look at this. So right now it's already sloping at 1 foot, head at tail at 1 foot. So what I'm going to do, offset at head. So I don't know what's going on here right now, so I'm going to just have a peep here. So I'm going to finish this, and then let's go have a peep at that section. Okay, so that's the 1 foot area. So this is the side we're going to push up. So let's go back into our ceiling plan here, and then select it. I'm going to edit boundary and select this. So that's the 1 foot. So let's push this up to, we can even go and measure that if we wanted to. So let's say 5 for now. Let's go with 5 feet. Finish it. Let's go look at that section. Okay, there you go. So that's how that works, but I'm going to push it up a little higher. Actually, let's do this. Let's move this 3 inches up. Move this up 3 inches. Okay, and then here, go and edit this boundary again. We want to go into our ceiling plan for that floor. Yep, select it, edit boundary, select this guy. You want to make this 5'3". I don't want to know. I don't know if you can. We'll try it though. You can align it to in place. I'm not sure if you can do that. Okay, but that's good right there. So there you go. So now the next thing we need to look at is see if we can get some light fixtures in there. So there's our ceiling at a slope. So I'm going to go back to the ceiling plan here. Where is it? This one. First floor. Nope. It's my ceiling. There you go. Actually, I'm going to add some fixtures here. I'll just copy these. We need one there, and let's put 2 in the master bedroom here. And then we can go ahead and let's go and add 4 in this room here. So I'm going to go with the systems tab here. We go light fixtures. We got the 6-inch condensates. Ooh, what's happening there? Okay. That's because we're going to face. Let's go one there. One there. One there. And one here. So now let's go look in our section view. Let's go in the wireframe. Oh, we're in the wireframe. Okay. So we got to do that fire clipping again. It's probably not reaching out. So I'm going to go back into my floor plan here. Select this. Yeah, that's what's going on there. And just push this out. And let's open it up. Yep. All right, and they came in on face too. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you got something out of this. Please subscribe, and we'll move on to the next things here. I'm gonna put that in shaded view. Yep. So we're gonna move on here, and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So that's how you do a slope ceiling here. So because we got this feature on this house where this part of the ceiling is going to be exposed. So now we have our first floor ceiling plan here. We've got our second floor, which is only going to amount. We really don't need to show this, so we'll probably just do one floor ceiling plan. I'm not going to worry about the basement in this instance. But hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, and if you like, go to the beginning of the series. This is for residential Revit and Revit 2026. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye.